everyone, Lisa Gifford here. And welcome, and I wanted to congratulate each and every one of you who did pre-order the Martelli Advent Box. So I'm talking to all of you, and for your gift number 26, I'm sure you've already opened it up, but it was the Watching Snowfall table set. It is absolutely beautiful. So I wanted to thank you again for doing the pre-order so that we could get this special gift out to you, because you did receive everything to be able to make this project on here, except I think just the backing and the batting. But I wanted to go ahead and show you this one in the colorways that you have received in it, because it's a little bit different than this photo right here. So y'all ready? So I'm going to show you all three pieces because I do have it completely done, and it's super simple. But those of you who absolutely love small blocks, that's what this one is. So here is the placemat. This is one of the two placemats that you're going to be making. Now in your kit, you have received all the fabric for the background, the white, the orange, and then you have received the fabric about 3/4 of a yard. So you got 3 pieces of the grays. Now if you'll notice on mine, I added a couple more grays from my own stash just so I could have it a little bit more variety. So I recommend adding a little bit more fabric to it to give it a little bit more variety here. But this is it. This is one of the placemats. You're making these little bitty tiny pinwheels here. You're making these large, they're all half square triangles. They're just tiny, 1.5 inches, I think 2.5 inches here. But then when you put it all together, it's absolutely beautiful. Of course, you got the fusible on here so that you'll be able to do your little snowman. And of course, how to make the nose. It's all the pieces are in here, including all the buttons. So you could take the time and hand sew them, or you could use your sew machine to sew your buttons on. So here is the 2 placemats. And I know it's a little bit different. It's lighter in color than what you've got that's on the photo, but I think it just stands out really pretty. And now I'm going to show you the large table runner. Isn't this just adorable? So again, thank you so much for pre-ordering and getting everything done. So I can't wait to see the ones that you make. Be sure to post them. I'd love to see them. All right, there you go, everybody. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye, everybody.